Much awaited, BINI and SB19 magsasama sa isang concert. The latest update of BINI as they bloom wherever they go. Mga bigating OPM artists magkasama sa isang concert. Pure gold na sa atin ang panalo at Thanksgiving concert. An evening of pure music and good vibes. Featuring Nation's girl group BINI, SB19, Flo G, Sunkissed Lola, Glock9 and Skastakli. At Pure Gold QI Central, marami na nakapila at nag-aabang ng mga fans para makabil sa ticket. Sa bonggang concert na magkasama ang mga sikat na OPM artists. This will be on July 12, 7 p.m. at Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City. Confirmed din magkasama ang BINI at SB19 sa Sorsogon for the opening salvo of Kasanggayahan Festival 2024 this October. This was confirmed by the Governor Boboy Hamor.
Monday, may concert kita. Ang una na concert si Benny tsaka ang SB19.
Another event na naman na magsasama ang favorite nating BINI at SB19. Hoping for more projects, collaboration for our P-pop artists. And as we support them all the way.